By the end of this video, you will have this website. So this is the website, and we are going to create it in this video. So hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to build a full website that is actually live. So let's get started. So in my Visual Studio Code, as you can see, I have these files over here, index.html. This is the home page. So I'm creating a website called Digital Computers Kenya, and then we have the scripts.javascript. So this is a JavaScript file. JavaScript adds interactiveness and functionality. Shop.css, this is the styling sheets, the cascading style sheets for the shop page. Then we have the shop.html, and we have styles.css. These are actually the files that will be in a position to build our entire website. So style.css is the styles for the index page, the home page. So you can see here I have an extension called Live Server. It enables me to view how my website will look on real servers, and it adds this option here to go live. So I'll just click on go live, and we'll be in a position to see now my website. This is my website. It has dark theme and we have the right theme. So that is the work for JavaScript. And then we have these products you can actually order via WhatsApp. We have what customers say. We have why choose the computers. We have the footer with the categories, the links, and powered by Ephraim, plus the social medias. Then we have the shop page. So remember, the shop page has the categories, it has the products, and it has maybe the brands, the different brands for computers that we have. So you can see the brands. Again, we have the dark theme and the right theme in our shop page. So that is the website, and in this video we'll be launching it live online. So after viewing our website, now we are going to go about uploading it into our GitHub. So I need to go in here and search for github.com. So GitHub will enable us now to create a repository where we will save our project, and from that we will be in a position to view it or share a link that people can use to actually view our website. So I'll just click on sign in. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create one. Then after signing in, I'm going to see something like this. So I'll just click on my profile picture over here and click on repositories. So I have various projects over here. So I can just click on new repository, and then I'll give it a name. I can call it Digital Comps, and then I can add the description and click on create repository. After doing so, you can see now I have my repository created. So I can just click on my username here to go back, and I can click on repositories. So you'll be in a position to see now I have this one, the Digital Computers, as a repository. So now the remaining thing is actually adding our files into this repository. So we'll just click on here, and then we can be in a position now to either create a new file or upload existing files. So we are going to click here, upload existing files. You can actually click here to choose files, but I'll open my file explorer and go to my folder. So it is in downloads, and I've named it Digital Computers Kenya. Then I'm going to copy these files and drop them here. I'll be copying my files and actually dropping them here. So just ensure you drop all the files. So this is my JavaScript, I'll drop it here. So then I have my script, my 2 CSS files, and my 2 HTML files. I'll just click on commit changes. So this may take a few minutes to complete. So you see I have now my files here. The next thing is we now get the link that you can be in a position to share with people, and they will be in a position to view our shop. So we'll go to settings. After going to settings, we will go to pages. Then in our pages, the branch, we are going to keep it at main, and then we click on save. The next thing is we can actually configure our custom domain. So our custom domain, we are going to enter it here. So I'll create a video dedicated into how we can now set up a custom domain. A custom domain is, for example, when you search for ephraimworks.online, and that is actually a custom domain, you'll be in a position to see my portfolio website. So after putting it at main, then we are going to go to the actions. We can click just on actions. Then you can see it is actually being built and deployed. So we'll give it some time. Then after it has finished, we are going to get a link that you can actually share with people and they view our website. So after a few time, we can see that it has finished. So we just click on here, and we can see we have this simple link over here. So we can just click on this link, and we'll be in a position to view our website. So you can see we can now view the website and how the website appears, right? And you can actually share this URL, this link over here, with people, and they will be in a position to view our website. If you want to learn how now we can go ahead and configure these custom domains using GitHub, you can as well watch the next tutorial that I'm dropping in this channel, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.